There are ways to lower your blood pressure naturally, and there is information below on how you can do so. There are a number of things you should avoid in order to reduce the risk of getting high blood pressure, such as not eating certain foods, drinking alcohol excessively, or smoking cigarettes. In addition, people who have diabetes need to take extra precautions, because they already have an increased chance of having high blood pressure. Since we can't stop aging, the videos on this channel can help us have the best life possible. In today's news update, I want to talk about how to lower blood pressure the natural way. If you have any questions about this video, just call or text Healthy at 60 plus at 609-410-4790. Now let's see what we have today. What diet is best to lower blood pressure? Losing weight is one of the best ways to lower blood pressure naturally. There are a few things you can do in order to lose weight and keep it off, but most importantly, you need to focus on your diet and exercise habits. Weight loss isn't easy, but if you follow these tips, then it will be much easier. 1. Eat healthier foods. Fresh fruits and vegetables are always good choices because they're low in calories while still being high in nutrients that your body needs. Add an egg white omelet or boiled eggs at breakfast time for protein, which will also help with muscle growth. 2. Exercise regularly. Try doing short cardio sessions a few times a week to lose weight, build muscle, and lowering blood pressure naturally. Forget about spending hours in the gym every day. Working out for 10 to 20 minutes has been proven time and time again to be more effective than longer workouts. 3. Set realistic goals. Lose 1 pound per week by eating healthier and exercising, while keeping track of your progress. You should lose about a pound per week in the beginning, so don't lose hope if you lose less than that initially. Even losing 1 pound per month is still significant for lowering blood pressure. 4. Drink plenty of water. This will help to flush toxins out of your body while also helping you lose weight by making you feel fuller longer, so that you actually eat less rather than consume excessive amounts of junk foods. Lower blood pressure naturally with food. What if you could lower your blood pressure naturally, without those awful side effects of medication? A program called Dietary Approaches to Stop Hypertension is considered by many to be the best diet when it comes to managing and lowering blood pressure. Its basic rules are to stay away from or cut back on foods high in total and saturated fat, processed foods, sugar, salt, carbohydrates, caffeine, alcohol, no more than 1 drink a day if you're a woman, 2 or less if you're a man. The diet also suggests loading up instead on fruits and vegetables that are high in antioxidants, whole grains, protein from nuts, potassium from leafy greens or beans, calcium from low-sugar yogurt. Exercise to lower high blood pressure. It is possible. Exercise is the soulmate to eating right. You're more likely to lose weight if you exercise and follow a healthy diet. Official recommendations call for at least half an hour of exercise most days of the week. The effects can be dramatic. Blood pressure drops of 4 to 9 points. Remember that exercise isn't just going to the gym. It can be gardening, washing your car, or housework too. But things that get your heart rate up, aerobic activities like walking, dancing, jogging, riding your bike, and swimming, are best for your heart. Here are 8 benefits of an exercise program. 1. Exercise boosts your heart health. 2. Exercise lowers blood pressure. 3. Exercise is linked to lower risk of stroke. 4. Exercise benefits cardiovascular system. 5. Exercise reduces stress. 6. Exercise improves mood. 7. Exercise helps fight fatigue. 8. Exercise combats obesity. Eat less salt. Americans love salt, and salt is something that is just not going to go away anytime soon. The salt you eat can cause your blood pressure to rise over time, if it is consumed in excess amount. To overcome salt's impact within your diet, take the time to make small lifestyle changes that can add up to a significant difference in blood pressure. Changing how you eat is not as difficult as you think, but it does take practice and dedication, which will pay off when it comes to lowering salt intake. Many foods that are high in salt are also high in calories, fat and carbohydrates, which all end up negatively impacting health over time. Reduce your stress to lower blood pressure. Here are 4 ways that stress can be a factor in high blood pressure. And while stress cannot always cause high blood pressure, it is an important piece of the puzzle. 1. Stress can trigger or worsen anxiety and depression. 2. Stress can cause people to become anxious about their health and stop taking care of themselves. 3. Chronic stress often leads people to overeat and gain weight, which increases risk for heart disease as well as other diseases such as diabetes and cancer. 4. Stress may lead some people to reach for cigarettes or alcohol, both of which are bad for the heart. Here are 6 ways you can reduce stress. 1. Practice deep breathing for 5 minutes at a time. 2. Get a stress-relieving massage. Just 15 minutes can help lower stress levels for 48 hours. 3. Abdominal breathing promotes stress relief. It loosens up tight muscles and helps your heart rate return to normal quickly. 4. Keep stress in check with yoga. It helps you relax and breathe deeply. 5. Take up meditation. It can help improve stress management as well as reduce stress levels. 6. Exercise. It helps reduce stress and lower blood pressure. Quit smoking to reduce blood pressure. If you've been diagnosed with high blood pressure, stopping smoking will help to lower your blood pressure. Here are 5 reasons why. 1. Smoking hurts your health over the long term and increases your risk of heart disease and stroke. 2. Your blood pressure goes up every time you have a cigarette, so stop for good to reduce the stress on your cardiovascular system. 3. When smokers stop smoking, their lungs start working better again, which in turn reduces asthma symptoms, shortness of breath and other respiratory problems caused by smoke-damaged lungs. 4. Quitting gives people more energy. 5. Quitting is one of the most empowering things a person can do to take back control over his or her health. If you're trying to stop smoking and need help getting started, talk to your doctor. Have him prescribe nicotine patches, chewing gum, lozenges, whatever it takes. Conclusion. If you are looking for ways to reduce your blood pressure naturally, we have provided a few resources that can help. One way is by changing the salt intake in your diet and replacing it with other types of food like vegetables or fresh fruit. Reducing stress levels may also be helpful when it comes to lowering high blood pressure or reducing risk factors associated with hypertension such as anxiety and depression. Some people find relief from their symptoms after quitting smoking, which has been linked to increased rates of heart disease. Okay, that's it for this video. But just one more thing. If you have any questions about this video, just call or text Healthy at 60+ at 609-410-4790. Remember, there are many ways to deal with high blood pressure. At Healthy at 60+ we have a preferred method called nitric oxide therapy. Click the link below this video to see a great explanation of nitric oxide therapy and how it can change your life. To be informed of new videos, just subscribe to this channel and remember to click the bell icon. To view other videos about this same topic, just click on either of these 2 video links. Thank you for stopping by and watching this video. Remember, contact me if you have any questions. Have a great day and here's to your good health.